Hey everyone! So I've got this BAGSMART Toiletry bag in the baby pink color, and I've been using it for a bit now, and I gotta say I'm pretty impressed. First off, the color is super cute, but it's not just about looks. This thing is seriously practical. It's the medium size, which I find is perfect for most trips. Not too bulky, but still holds a surprising amount of stuff. One of the things I love is how organized it keeps everything. It has 4 separate compartments, all with zippers, so you can really separate your toiletries. I use one for makeup, one for skincare, one for hair products, you get the idea. And the back has this open pocket, which is perfect for things you need to grab quickly, like a toothbrush or some hand sanitizer. Inside the main compartments, there are these elastic straps that hold your bottles upright. This is a game changer. No more worrying about spills or leaks. And the transparent sides? Genius! You can see exactly what's inside each compartment without having to dig around. Seriously, why don't all toiletry bags have this? Another thing I appreciate is the double zipper compartment. You can access your stuff even if the bag isn't fully open, which is super handy in tight spaces like airplane bathrooms. Speaking of which, the hook is amazing. It's a 360-degree swivel hook, so you can hang it pretty much anywhere. And it's non-slip, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. The handle also doubles as a hanging strap, which gives you even more options. Now let's talk about durability. The material is this water-resistant polyester peach skin, and it feels really nice. It's also well padded, so it keeps its shape even when it's full. I've packed this thing pretty tight, and the stitching has held up perfectly. It feels really sturdy and well made. Overall, I'm really happy with this BAGSMART Toiletry bag. It's cute, functional, and well made. It's perfect for travel, the gym, or even just keeping your bathroom organized. If you're looking for a new toiletry bag, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. It's definitely earned a spot in my travel essentials. The medium size is great for short trips, but they also have a large size if you need more space. Definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.